from Deepika. She says that I'm having acne on my whole scalp.
Okay.
It's burn and pains a lot and also cause headache but no itching. While combing or tie my hair, it pains. Very small bumps are there, and now from few days bumps started coming on my face also, which was earlier not there at all. I'm having this scalp acne from past 2 years. It has increased now. Earlier it was very little.
How old is she?
She hasn't mentioned the age,
Okay.
but I'm expecting around maybe 30.
Okay. So she's been having pimples, pustular lesions on her scalp,
Yeah,
painful
yeah,
for a while, and now she's beginning to see them on her face as well.
correct.
Okay. This is something that we refer to as scalp folliculitis. It tends to be chronic and recurrent, but it can be managed. So why is it happening? Uh, we have commensal bacteria uh, uh, within the hair follicles. These bacteria will be present on everybody's skin, but sometimes what happens is there will be a favorable environment for these bacteria to overgrow. That can be, because of an alteration in the kind of natural oils that are produced on the skin. It can favor this bacteria to overgrow, and when that happens, the skin reacts to it. We have a pustule. So, how do we manage it? Well, the first line of management is with antibiotics. Usually, we assess the patient's liver function because these antibiotics will have to be given for a prolonged duration of time, for about 3 to 6 months in some cases, and that usually causes a clearance. And these can be taken once a year, 3 months at a shot, whenever it comes back. So, patients do have a good level of clearance. In case this doesn't work out, we put them on a different or drug, which is basically a very purified form of vitamin A. It's basically a retinoid. So what it does is it tries to cause a miniaturization of these follicular glands, so that a favorable environment for the bacteria doesn't exist. Having said that, scalp folliculitis is a challenging condition to treat in the sense that it cannot be permanently cured. It will always be an on and off phenomenon, but we can provide a very long durations of remission for someone like her. And patients are very happy with that, this kind of management.
Okay.
It has got nothing to do with the hygiene of the patient. So if that's what, because a lot of people with pimples on the scalp might be perceived as having a lack of hygiene. So that is not the case.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.